Hello there, all of you car enthusiasts. Today we are going to make a review and an unboxing on a Rim Ringz rim protections. But before we do that, we are going to have a look at some old ones. I had this model before, and this what happened to it. This is an 18-inch rim protector, and you lose this kind of ears. See, this is a mounting gears. At this ring, it's missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ears. This happens because you mount them badly, or you hit a curve or a rock or something like that, and it does some damage to the paint of the rim. I will show you now. I don't know if you see it very well, but this is the damage. If I can focus, you see it? This is the damage from the Rim Ringz. Okay, this also, this is the damage from the Rim Ringz, and this is the ear I was talking about. You lose it like that. Okay, you can see it more clearly. You see it on the back wheel. This is the damage I was talking about. This is the primer of the wheel. It actually chew in the paint. You see, I was using this rim protections for about, let's say, 4 or 5 years, and this is the kind of damage it did to the rims. I'm talking about paint damage. I will show you another wheel as well. Here is it on another wheel. You see? So I was trying to buy some other stuff on the market, like the alloy gator, but those are expensive as well. Don't know why cheap plastic is sold that expensive. It's not like they are sending a rocket to Mars. It's just cheap plastic. I bet this whole package only cost around $10 to produce, and they are selling it well above $100. So I was telling you, I was trying to buy alligators, but I didn't find them less than $150 with shipping included. So this is ridiculous expensive for plastic. And Chinese guys are making only cheap, inefficient shit like this. This is supposed to be some kind of protections, but it will flew off the wheel at speeds over 80 kilometers per hour. You just attach this to the rim with self-adhesive. This is shit. And you have this kind of shit, which looks like alligator rim protection, but is not. This is the original color. If you see it here, this was supposed to be this kind of red, but it's not. It bleached at the sun. All the original paint went off and remained this pink shit. It doesn't really protect the rims. It also does damage to the paint, and it's quite easy to damage as well. the plastic, if you can see it here. It doesn't autofocus. This is the damage it will get. Anyway, these are the alternatives. I don't recommend any of them. Actually, I didn't want to buy, as I said, these Rim Ringz because of the damage did to the paint of the wheel of the rim, but the damage is already there, so I'm not planning to repair it soon. So I bought another set. As I said, it's quite expensive, so yeah. Let's do the unboxing. When you buy it, you get this package from eBay. And in the package, you get this. This is the mounting kit, but you don't really need it. You need the mounting kit only if you are stranded on the side of the road and don't have any other kind of tools at you. So you have this kind of thing. You will do it like this when you have the tire flat, and with this, I will show you. This is the old one. Put it like this. You spread the tire and you insert this ear in here. If you can see it, yeah, you can see it. And with this, you spread the tire as well. Don't really use this. It's a waste of time and a waste of money. But they include it in the kit, and they are charging for it $100 or more. And then we'll get this cool looking car, which I think it's an American one. I wish I had this car, but I don't have it. I only have the Rim Ringz from them. Installation instructions. Yeah, very useful. Don't need it. This is a spreadsheet with, what is this? The installation manual. It's made from high quality plastic. It's elastic and made to help you protect correctly. This is a big lie. Anyway, another installation piece of paper, which is in red. And this, you actually need this, but before you buy the kit, this is proper wheel and tire sizes for Rim Ringz. This kind of table, you need it before you buy the kit, but they don't really provide it, so anyway. Okay, don't need any of this. This is the actual product. So this, for cheap plastic circles, cost more than $100. I don't know why the Chinese didn't make some replicas or some shit, but I don't think they have the license or the brain to do it. Anyway, I don't know. And as I said, I didn't really try the alligators because are ridiculously expensive as well, around $150 with shipping. So you can't really buy it anywhere besides Amazon, eBay, and their website. So yeah, and as I said, the alternatives are shit, as I showed you. And I bought this because the damage was already there on the rims, so I don't plan to fix it soon. they are looking good on the car. They don't change color, they don't bleach or something else, but they are easily damaged if you hit a curve or if you don't mount them properly. Okay, I will show you now how to mount them. Okay, now, so you actually have to take off the tire, but they explain it, you don't really have to do it, but I recommend to do it my way because this is the proper way. With this occasion you can check the brake pads or the joints or the CV joints, because how often can you check them, because you don't really are here every day of the week. You check the tire from time to time, so my brake pads are okay, don't have any movement, any unusual movement on the joints. So yeah, let's get to the part of mounting the kit. You have to take the air off from the tire. You can do this with this kind of tool or a small one like this. You can buy this from any tire shop or online on eBay or any other site. And now I will actually use a tool from them, just only to remove the old part which got stuck in here, and I bet I can't really remove it, yeah, as I thought. So I will use a crossbar to do this. So this broke and got stuck in there. Okay, and now what you have to do, I don't really do it because I know how to mount it, but I recommend to lubricate the rim with water and soap, just to make it easier to mount. Okay, now you put a circle like this and insert all the ears inside like this. Okay, okay, now you get a soft rubber mallet. This is the soft one, not a hard one. You can buy this from any hardware store or construction store, stuff like this. It will cost $5 to $10, and you gently tap it on every single ear. Don't tap it between the ears because you will break them. And this is pretty much all you have to do. Be sure you tap it until you see no gap here. If you see a gap, I'll show you. If you see this kind of gap, it's not properly mounted. You have to do it like this. See? It has to be all the way to the rim. Okay. So let's continue tapping to make sure there are no gaps. Just feel it with your hands where the ears are and tap on them. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look when it's fully mounted. See, almost no gap between the rim and the rim ring protector. This is a gap from them, from the factory. You see? And after this, you just put air in the tire and mount the wheel back, and that's it. Hope you'll enjoy this video, and if you like it, just subscribe to the channel and I will do some more videos like this. Thank you guys, bye.